Are you struggling with complicated integrations for your e-commerce store? Introducing ExpertSender, the solution that connects your store to eCDP effortlessly. With our plugins, you can set up in minutes and enjoy seamless synchronization. Quick installation means hassle-free integration on any platform you use. Automatically sync customer profiles and order histories for actionable insights. Track customer behaviors to boost your marketing strategies effectively. No plugin for your platform. Our robust API solutions have you covered. Join countless businesses achieving incredible results with ExpertSender. Don't let integration hold you back. Transform your store's potential today and visit our website to get started.